Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 71 of Building the Batmobile from 1966. In this issue, we're finishing off the driver's seat and installing it. After looking at episode 71, of course, the rare art map from January the 11th. Oh, I had a weekend off or something, I should think, because the last one was well before that, wasn't it? Let me double check when the last one was yesterday. Yesterday's was January the 5th. So, maybe they had Christmas and New Year sort of off. I don't know how that works out, but there we go. And we're back to the penguin. Except that's not the penguin. I don't quite get that. That's Joker. Okay, maybe there's both in it. There's a penguin. Strange. Anyway, there we go. Into the Den of Death Dealers is the story we're looking at in this. It's one where Batman and Robin are fooled by a meteorite. Okay. I don't get it. Batman 00. The new millennium. Still no man's land. We're working through with that. Good stuff. Rebuilding of Gotham. Yes, we've got some more car parts. We've got some more seat parts. We've got a frame and the back. We're going to put the frame round. Then we're going to put the padding in. Attach the back piece to it. And then finally fit it into the driver's seat with 2 more screws. And that will be Batman's seat ready to go. And I believe next time we're starting Robin. Or Robin's seat anyway. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this seat fitted. So here we go. From last time, we've obviously got our seat with a nice red edging and stuff to it. We've got our back, 2 different types of screws. We've got the foam from last time as well. The first thing we're going to do is to fit the frame around the seat and get it the right way round, which is not that way round. It's that way round. And that goes in there with these pieces coming through the inside of the seat like that. Do that for the top piece as well. I think it's easier to go from this side. I could be wrong. Yeah, because that's actually quite spongy and that isn't. So I think we might go from that side. Get that in that way. No, because that's definitely got to be on the inside of that, hasn't it? So I've got to go from the back. It's just a case of bending the rubbery bit to get that through and in. There you go. And then doing the same down here with that bit. There we go. That's that. Chrome, black and gold. Red even, not gold. Then we've got these 2, which are the same, which are going to go in there. Again, I don't think they're strictly necessary because there's nothing to sort of push against them. And then the back obviously goes on that way round, like that. And we need the AP screws to attach it, but we need 6 of these to get the back attached. That's 4, 5 and 6. Hopefully that lines up with that. So it has to be that way round. Yeah, it's got to be like that. Yes. Should that go? No, it's got to be that way. Let me just double check the instructions. I'll turn over the correct page. Yeah. No. Has that got to go further in? And they've got to go over it. They can't go over it. No, that can't go over it. It doesn't look like it goes under it. Right, let me double check how this is going to attach and see about getting it together. Right, there we go. That's that now installed in there. I was right, it is that way round. It just wasn't lining up quite as well as it should. And these are not at the steep angle that I thought they were, but it's all in there now and that's all built. Then we get to install that onto here. I know I lost a screw. I've got another one out of the bag. So yeah, there we go. That's all that together. We need then some AP screws to attach this to that. And this is going on Batman's side. We've just got the two posts to line up with the two holes, making sure the seatbelt's out of the way. And then we can get those attached in there. And once again, that pedal's come loose. I'm going to glue that in place later. Fed up with that being a loose bit. It's just, could do with being a screw in place rather than just a push fit. And that is today's last screw installed in there. So there we have it. One seat, one bat seat installed. I don't know, there should have been more leg room, as his leg's very far in front of him. But yeah, there we go. So I'm pretty sure next time we're going to be starting on Robin's seat. So join me for that very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.